Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle, Sudoku Heavy. Yes, next week we have a speed test, not today, because it's the last week of the month. Next week, the first week of the month, we have always a speed test, and today we have two regular Sudokus and an additional with extra puzzles. In today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, April the 29th, 2022. Yes, it's actually today's Saturday, but told you earlier I got ill. The day after King's Day, a lot of festivals and parties. Well, I think I'm infected by other people, and it's not corona. Yes, it's not corona. Anyway, this will be number 4478. 4478. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional 4 stars, for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit for 4 stars puzzle. Alright. Let me check again. 3, 5, 7, 10, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 24. Correct? It's not so often heavy Sudoku with 24. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have two ones. We have 1, 2, 3 twos, 3 threes, 2 3 fours, 2 fives, 1 6, 3 fives, 1 6, no sevens, 3 eights, 2 nines. Alright, so it will be difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in the second column. So no 1 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Let me mark those. I think a lot of pairs in this puzzle. Alright. So 7, 6, and a 9. 7, 6, and 9. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, we have 4 8s. Overlooked. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there 8 and 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next The only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is the number 9. We have a 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Well, I know a 9 is in one of those 3 boxes in this column. So no 9 in this box. So 1 box left for the 9. It should be there. 9 in this column, third column, 9 in one of those 3 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, yeah. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. Well, we have a 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in the last row should be there. So those 2 boxes should be the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7 are left. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Okay. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Okay. How about the 9 then? 9, 9. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here a 9 in this row. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So last column. Only place left for the 9. Should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Need to wait. Yeah, need to wait. How about? Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column. So no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in the third column. 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 1. 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers. In this row, those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. 1, 6, 5, 1, 6, 5, 1, 6, 5. And look, we have 1 and a 6 in this column. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Yeah. Then. Let me see. I'm thinking. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 2. Well. Need to drink something. Two in this column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box left in the second column. For the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6 are missing in this column. 1 and the 6. Well, we have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. And the no, 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, no, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and share the data with you. We have here the 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, and the 8, 3, 4, the 8, 3, 4, and the 7, 2, 6. 7, 2, 6. Again, we have 3 pairs, I believe. The 8 as a pair, the 3 as a pair, and the 6 as a pair. 3 pairs. Alright, great. Sudoku Heavy. Thank you again for watching. See you later. Bye-bye for now.